we start our lesson. Okay, fifth lesson, adolescence and the health. Okay, what are the, okay, see here, health and fitness is required in, okay, health and fitness is required at any stage. It may be the childhood, it may be the middle age, it may be the young age, or it may be the old age. First we should have very importance to the, what importance? That is healthy. We should be very healthy and fit at any stage. It may be the older age or in the younger age or in the child also. Okay, we should be very healthy and fit. For this proper nutrition, okay, for this what we should require, we should, okay, for to be healthy and fit, we should be have proper nutrition. We should have the proper nutrition, that is whatever we are eating the food, it should contain all the nutrients. We have learned in the 7th class what are the components: protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, fats, everything is required in a proper. Then only we can be, okay, we can be healthy. And also the hygiene. What we should have, we should be very hygiene. Okay, we should be very hygiene, that is we should maintain neatness, clean and neat, or we can be clean, okay, clean and neat we should be. Okay, our surroundings and our houses, and we should, okay, we should be very hygiene. So far we have discussed that adolescence is the age when growth and development take place at a faster rate. In the adolescent age only we can see they are growing very faster. Yes, in the adolescence only they are growing very fast. Growth also and development also take place. In the adolescence only what we are able to see, the changes, okay, developments. Okay, we can see the developments of our development also is taking place. Okay, some developments and that the changes in our body it is taking place, and also what, okay, and also what we are doing, and also the growth also height increasing. Okay, we can see the growth, that is increase in the height. Increase in the height we are able to see in the adolescent period, and the development of the okay, reproductive organ system. Okay, we can see this development and the what some of the changes in the changes in our body also we can see in the adolescent period only. This is why it becomes more essential to be careful about health and hygiene in the adolescent period. Why we have to take, okay, why should we have the cleanliness and the proper nutrition? Because we are, if you are not taking the proper nutrition, can you grow? No, we can't grow properly, or we can't grow faster. And hygiene should be maintained in the adolescent, not only the adolescent. Okay, why means they have the different changes in our body during the adolescent period. That's why we should always very neat and clean. And so what are the food we have to take? Balanced diet. We have to take the balanced diet. So balanced diet. They may ask in the adolescence and the health, what are the measures to be taken in the adolescent period? They may ask the question like that. So you have to write the, and how you should be healthy and fit. They may ask like that questions. So first we see the balanced diet. Hunger level of adolescents are very high. Hunger level means chala aakali, bhook lagta zyada. Okay. So in this we feel more hunger. Okay. It is a growing stage. That's why we feel very hungry. And they need to eat different varieties of food. So when you are hungry, what do you feel? Yeah, we want to eat different types of food. We want to eat different types of food. It may be the anything. Some people likes the fruits, some people like the different food items they like to eat in that stage. This is the stage of rapid growth and development. So I said already to you that adolescence is the period where we can see the rapid increase or rapid growth and the development take place. So in this only, for that also we should have the balanced diet. Because the diet for an adolescent has to be carefully planned. We should be our parents should be planned. Okay, it is a growing stage. So what type of food we have to give to our children? Or what type of food? Okay, what type of food we have to give? We should give the balanced one. It should contain all the nutrients. Okay, what are the nutrients that we have? Protein. Okay, protein is good. For the growing children, protein is very important. Carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, vitamins, and fat, little bit, and the fiber content. Okay, all these are required. Taking healthy and nutritive food is very important. So what it is? Taking the healthy food. We should take the healthy food. We should not eat the junk foods like burger, pizza, sandwiches. Okay, many are there. You should not eat. So if you eat this, what is present in that? It contains more amount of cheese. Fat is more present. Due to that, what happens if you consume more amount of fats? We become very obese. Okay, we become obese. Okay, so we should take the healthy food as well as, and it should be very nutritive. All the components should be present. Protein, carbohydrate, minerals, vitamins. If you eat the fruits and vegetables, we get this minerals and the vitamins. If you want the carbohydrates, what type of food we have to eat? All the cereals we have to eat, like rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, like this we can eat. Protein is all the pulses and the beans. Pulses. Yes. So from that, okay, whatever we are taking the food, it should contain all this type of. If you take the minerals or the vitamins, it gets from the fruits and vegetables. Fat also we are using. Some of the oil we are using in our food. Okay, so we should take the healthy food and as well as a nutritive food. Then only we can grow very faster and we can see the changes in our body. You already studied in the earlier classes that the balanced diet includes protein, carbohydrates. Yes, already have learned in the 7th class. What are the balanced or nutritive food? Protein should contain and carbohydrates should contain minerals, vitamins and the fats. Already we have learned. Our Indian meals of roti or rice, dal and the vegetable is a balanced meal. So in our Indian system, what we are taking in our houses also we make the rice. Okay, in south we are taking the rice and also one curry will be there, that is vegetable curry will be there. Vegetable curry. And we can see the protein, that is from the dal we can see. Okay, so it is also includes a balanced diet. We can say from the rice we are getting the carbohydrates, from the dal we are getting the proteins, and vegetable curry we are getting the minerals and the vitamins, and in the curries we are using the oil. So all this we are getting from our Indian food. Milk and fruit is also useful for nourishment. Okay, milk and also, okay, we should drink milk. It is a complete food, we can say. Milk is a complete food. And milk, fruit, everything gives the nourishment. It gives the nourishment to our body. It gives the development. Iron builds blood, and iron-rich foods such as leafy vegetables, jaggery, meat, citrus, Indian gooseberry are good for the adolescents. Okay, so milk and fruit we have to take. From the milk also we get the calciums. Some minerals we are getting from the milk, and the fruits we are getting the vitamins. Yes, milk and fruits are used. We should use more. And also to get the iron content, it is a mineral. So to form the blood we require the iron. Okay, this iron mineral, from where we are getting this iron mineral? We are getting this from the jaggery bellam. Okay, and also we are getting this from, okay, and also iron rich food. What are the iron rich food? We can see leafy vegetable we have to eat. In this also we can, okay, some of the minerals are present in the leafy vegetables. Palak, amaranthus, all this we have to, okay, palak. ఇంకా ఏమైనా చాలా ఉన్నాయి కదా మనం ఆకుకూరలు దాన్ని, okay, we have to eat all this leafy vegetables, and also we have to, and also vitamin C, okay, and meat also we have to eat citrus fruit and amla, usurkai, amla, okay, all these are good for the adolescents. All these food are good for the adolescents. Because of this hunger, adolescents generally prefer to eat the chips, packed or tinned snacks. Roadside food appears to be very tasty, but they never replace the balanced diet. Okay, what we are in the adolescence, so we want to, okay, in this stage, adolescent period, we have more hunger. Okay, we want to eat something like this. So what do? You take the packets like chips, everything. It is not good for our health. It is not good for our health. So they prefer more like this only. They want to eat the packets or the biscuits or the chips like this, kurkure, lays, everything they have. They want to eat, and also they want to eat the roadside food. Okay, which is kept on the roadside. They also prefer this more. So you should not eat this such type of food. It won't give the balanced diet to you. It will give the balanced diet to you. It is a nutritive food? No, it is not a nutritive food. Eating them regularly may cause unwanted problems. So when you eat regularly this type of food, which is packed food or the chips, it causes the problem in our body, causes the trouble. Like obesity. Like obesity means motive. Obesity. Okay, we can see the obesity, mouth and stomach ulcer, mouth and ulcer formation. Okay, we can see the ulcer on our mouth. Okay, and also we can, okay, like this, increase in the blood sugar level and blood pressures, etc. Okay, sugar level also increases. And BP also increases, that is blood pressure also increases at the age of. So if you are not eating the healthy food, you will get the obesity. Okay, obesity, ulcer, sugar, everything you will cause. Okay, these are the problem it may cause us if you eat the roadside food or the unhealthy food. And our next one, after balanced food, we can see the cleanliness. Okay, cleanliness. We have studied that sweat glands become the more active in the, okay, sweat glands. Okay, in which season, okay, in which age I have said that in the adolescent only we have the secretion of sweat and also the oil. So due to the sweat, what happened? Okay, some bad smell is emitted from our body. So it is better to have bath at least twice a day. So cleanliness means the person who has the bad odor or the smell from the sweat, they have to take the bath twice a day. Okay, they have to take bath twice a day. And we should, okay, all the parts of our body and innerwear should be washed and cleaned. So whatever we are wearing, the innerwears should be very cleaned and washed. We should be washed and it should be very clean. If cleanliness is not maintained, there are the chances of fungal infection or the bacterial infection. If you are not wearing the neat, okay, clean dress, what happens? The innerwear, it may causes the infection. It causes the infection to our body. Okay, so first one is we should take the, okay, we should maintain the cleanliness Why? Because in the adolescent period, what we have the more secretion of sweat and the oil. If you are not washing your face, everything, or if you are not maintaining, we get the pimples on our faces. Okay, due to the secretion of oil. Okay, and also if you have some people have the sweat more. Some of the people will get sweat more. So when they have the sweat more, they some bad smell also comes off from their body. So due to that, so if they have the bad odor on their body, they have to take the bath twice same day. 2 times they have to take the bath, and frequently they have to face their face. Okay, frequently they have to wash their face. And one more is they have to wash, whatever we are using, the dress and the inner wear, it should be very, it should be washed and it should be very neat and clean. Then only we can keep our body neat and tidy. Physical exercises. Okay, physical exercises. Nowadays the children are not playing outside and they don't have any activity. They are always sitting in front of the TV or the mobile phones and playing on the mobiles. Yes or no? Walking and playing in the fresh air keeps the body fit and healthy. So to maintain physically fit, what we have to do, we should have the walking and as well as the playing. Okay, and playing with not playing in front of the TV or playing in front of the mobiles. Okay, in the grounds or you have to walk and also playing should be. Then only we keep our body fit. All young boys and girls should take a walk, exercise and plan outdoor games. Okay, always we should not play the indoor games. We should also play the outdoor games like the cricket, outdoor, whatever we are playing, or cycling you can do, or you can do anything. Okay. The physical activity leads to the condition of better health, sound sleep and thereby mental peace. So if you have the physical exercises, we can sleep very without any disturbance. We can sleep, and also our health will be always active. Okay, always we will be active when we have the physical exercises. Mental peace promotes the happiness in a day-to-day existence. Okay, when you do the physical exercises, our mind be बहुत अच्छा रहता, peaceful रहता. Okay, mind also very peaceful. And instead of playing outdoor games, spending time watching TV or working on the computer leads to the drowsiness. So ज़्यादातर बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? They are playing with their mobiles or watching TV. So what they feel, they are very lazy. They feel या हमेशा नींद से ऐसे ही रहते बच्चे. जो बाहर खेलते और riding or walking, they playing with their friends, they are very active in the daytime or like that. That is why you are not able to pay attention on our studies. So those who are watching the TV more or playing with the mobile phone, they are not active. They won't show interest on their studies. Adolescence is the period when many changes take place in the body. Okay, in the adolescent period only we can see the many changes. Yes, we can see many changes in our body. And also because of these changes, one may get tense, confused and insecure. In this situation, if anybody suggests that you will get relief in you, take some drugs, just say no unless it's prescribed by the medical doctors. In case of having any problem, insecurity or the tension, it is better to discuss. So if you have any problems or if you have any tense, you can discuss with your parents or you can discuss with your teachers so that you can solve your problem. A famous psychiatrist, Stanley Hall, stated that adolescence is a stage of stress and strain. Who said this? Adolescence is a period where we can see the stress and strain. Who said this? It is said by the Stanley Hill. Stanley Hall has said this. Adolescence is the period where we can see the stress and the strain. If you have any problem, you can share with your parents, or you can share with your teachers or the elders. So in this age, by getting the proper guidance from the teacher, if you get the proper guidance, what we have to follow in this adolescent period, if you follow this right guidance, you will become a good person. And you can lead your life happily. So I am how explain about the health and the adolescence and the health. In the next class, we will see about the hormones and what are the hormones are produced in the adolescence. We see in the next class. Thank you, children.